Hello and welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. This is Nacho Yanez, Mobile Homes Chula Vista with Advantage Homes. And today we are at Lamplighter Village, which is a very nice family park, all ages you can see. It's a really nice park, very quiet, very good. We are in the heart of Spring Valley. And we have a very big home today. So this is number 186, Lamplighter Village. So and this big home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Okay, the manufacturer is CAVCO. The size is very big. It's at 28 by 60. So we have 1,648 square feet. All right. So as you can see, it all looks very nice. It's from the year 1997. And well, as usual, you can post your comments, your questions. This video is going to be on YouTube, on Nacho Yanez Mobile Homes Chula Vista, and also on Facebook. If you got any questions, you can also call me. So yeah, this is my phone number, 619-551-0420. So Nacho Yanez Mobile Homes Chula Vista with Advantage Homes. And okay, well, let's walk in. The first thing is that, as you can see, it has a very nice porch on this side. Very good, very spacious. And you can, potentially you can cover it, but it gives a very good relief, and as you can see, very nice. Even more, it has a side yard here, like on the patio, and also a backyard that we will look at later. But yeah, you see all the plants and the fences. It has a lot of privacy as well, so that's very nice, and it has air conditioning. So that's one more thing, one more plus. Let's enter the home. Yes. Don't be shy. Follow me. So this is the home, and well, the first thing to notice is that how big this is. Remember, yeah, it's a 28 wide, so you have a very nice dining area. You see there's lots of windows here, and on this side we'll have the living room as well. And another of the great things of this home is that it has a split plan. So from the 3 bedrooms, 2 of them that we will see now are on one side of the home with one of the bathrooms, and then the master is on the other side with another bathroom. And also it has an exit directly to the backyard, we will see. So that's really great. So come with me, and we're going to look at the other 2 bedrooms. So first of all, this bedroom is so big it looks like the master, but it really yeah, it's not so much the master. Is one of the bedrooms, but you see all this furniture here. You can easily accommodate any kind of bed in here and furniture. It has a nice closet as well. So for big families, this is like really perfect. Or even if you want, and again, it has a lot of privacy from the other side of the home as well. So the next thing I want you to see is that right next to these 2 bedrooms, it has the guest bathroom, and it's a full bathroom, very nice, with a skylight on top, so lots of natural light as well. And yeah, it's in very good shape. You see, it has a vanity there and some cabinets. And this is the bedroom number 3, which is a bit smaller than the other one, but it's still big. This is a queen bed, and you have space for furniture. It has a nice closet here as well. So this home has a lot of space for storage, plus a big shed that we will see later on. So yeah, no problem even there's a lot of people living here that will have the storage is well covered. So let's come to the other side of the home, and let's look at the kitchen. So yeah, the kitchen is really nice. It's you have everything, and it includes all the appliances. So you have the refrigerator is included, and the stove, and it has also a dishwasher. That's very good, and we will see later the laundry, and it includes washer and dryer as well. But you see, it has a very good space. You have room for a table in here, which is really nice. And yeah, you have, this is like the center of the house. You have access from here to everything. So if you follow me, we'll have here is again another view of the living room. Very nice and spacious, and access to the master bedroom. But again, it's lots of light. It has two nice windows here, lots of space. You know, this is the biggest, of course, the biggest bedroom in the home, and a very nice walk-in closet. So I'm gonna walk through it so you to prove that it is walkable. So see, yeah, you have here, you can really store anything you want. That's really great. And the last thing about this bedroom is that, of course, it has an ensuite bathroom. It's a full bathroom, you can see here. And it includes the vanity, a very nice jacuzzi tub, and it also has a full shower. And the last thing is that it also connects not only to the bedroom, but also to this area where I am right now, which is the laundry room. As you can see, you have the washer and dryer that are also included, and you have lots of cabinet space in here, and the exit to the backyard, which is really convenient. So come with me and let's have a look at the backyard. Right, so when we go on this side, one of the things is that this is all concrete, which is really nice, very low maintenance, very easy to keep. And it has fences all around, which has lots of privacy as well, as you can see. So, and of course it comes prepared for your barbecue, carne asada, and whatever you want to do in here. That's great. And remember, here, we saw it from the other side. This is the side patio. Very nice. Here you have space for your plants. Again, this high plants here gives a lot of privacy from the neighbors, and yeah, that's there to remind you that this has central AC. And well, really good. You see there on the other side, I was mentioning that it has a big shed, so you can see there, really big. That's very good, because everything that you don't want and you cannot accommodate inside definitely will fit in here. So that's really good. Then finally, let's recap. This is the carport that we were seeing, so that you have room for 2 cars and a truck, or 3 cars easily. And yeah, let's recap on everything then. So it's a CAVCO home. The year is 1997. The size is 28 by 60 feet, so it's 1648. The price of the home is $169,900, so $169,900, and the rent of the space in this wonderful park is $1,345. The park has all the amenities. It has a clubhouse and a pool and so on, and it's really good. So this is all for today. Remember, this is Nacho with Nacho Yanez Mobile Homes Chula Vista with Advantage Homes. And if you have any questions, you can call me or text me, or anything you want to do. My contact information will be there. And that's all. I'll see you on the next video, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.